Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another unboxing video. And in today's unboxing video, we're going to be unboxing this Air Canada Boeing 787-9 in the flaps down configuration. This is a great addition to the airport, as I will be able to have a landing aircraft now, which is great to show. Get a little more realism in the airport. This is my second Air Canada aircraft, second one in the new old kind of style livery. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's just get into this video. So of course on screen you have your, or on the front of the box I should say, you have your Gemini Jets logo, your Air Canada logo, and your Boeing 787-9 trademark logo, and the flaps down logo. This is different than the normal box, but it is still the normal box, but just with a little yellow decal or graphic depicting that it is the flaps down configuration. So here are the sides of the box. Again, this is the flaps down, so there's the flaps down logo. There's the back of the box, standard Gemini Jets box. There is the inside, and there is a model. The 787 is pushing the limits here on the medium-sized box. I think, to be honest, the 787 is one of the best looking aircraft out there, and I plan to actually add 2 more this year alongside of this one, so 3 total 787-9s or 8s added to the airport by the end of 2022. So yeah, this one is the second biggest aircraft on the Easter model unboxings. So there's only one aircraft bigger, and you can probably already tell what that is if you watched the first video. But there is the aircraft. It is a great looking aircraft. The 787-9 is always, in my opinion, one of the best looking aircraft out there. As you can see there, the flaps are down. So flaps down configuration, you can't really see it. I don't know, maybe I will use this aircraft at a gate, even though it's gonna look super weird, but I can probably use some filmmaking movie magic to make them not look down. But again, this is a super good looking livery and a really good looking aircraft. I hope to add a TUI and maybe a United 787-10 this year. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next week for the last Easter model video. Thank you all so much for watching. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.